Hi, I'm Josephine, and I'm your burlesque and fitness instructor. I've made my classes based on the principle that fitness doesn't need to make you suffer. We keep coming back for more when working out is fun, silly, and teaching us new things. This doesn't mean that I won't push you. My students tell me they leave with a healthy amount of fatigue and soreness. I'm especially going to challenge your flexibility. Open up wide, stud muffins. And most importantly, inviting you to connect with your unique sensuality, your sex panther, your inner burlesque diva. Learn burlesque movement and get sweaty on the way with me.